Welcome back everybody to my channel, the Jomo No Edge No Trade. Today we're going to talk about NEIRO. NEIRO is a kind of a new meme coin, and we know how meme coins, basically this is their year. 2024 is the year of meme coins. Look, they're just blasting ferociously. They're leaving all the other sectors behind. Nothing is comparable to meme coins in 2024, and I want to show you a trade that I made with NEIRO, and I want to show you how you can make money using the same kind of pattern that I use, and how to focus on these types of meme coins as a sector to make outstanding gains. Why? Because they are the predominant force of the market right now. I'm going to explain a bit later why I think that is. So stick with me. You're going to understand first what NEIRO is, kind of why did I trade it, how you can trade it from here, the technicals, and as well, if you stick with me to the end, I will show you why the dream of trading meme coins on DEXs, decentralized exchanges, isn't as big as people make it to look at Twitter, right? It's just not possible usually to put big volumes, and I will show you exactly what I mean. Just stick until the end and you will learn exactly what do I mean. But first, smash that like button for me, subscribe to my channel to make sure you don't miss any videos on trades I make on real time, and comment on the section below. Do you believe NEIRO is going to be the predominant force in meme coins in 2024 here on and 2025, or is there another meme coin that I need to know about? This is NEIRO. This is the website. Not going to get into the website. Who cares about website? Why does everyone has huge affection? Oh, the website looks amazing. For $10,000 I will make a website that looks smashing. Anything, whatever, poop coin will look amazing on a website with $10,000 investment. That's it. So don't look at a website as if it's something important. The one thing that strikes me over here is that NEIRO is the little sister of Doge, all right, and the heir to her legacy, adopted by the same woman that once owned Cabuso, the dog behind Doge meme. Is that even true? I thought it was a man that owned the Doge coin. Anyways, and he made it as a joke. Anyways, this is NEIRO. I just want to show the website for just 1 second. But before we go to the technicals, here are some things that I want you to see. This is coin market cap. It doesn't matter which coin ranking, website you use. It's just all the same. What strikes me in NEIRO is the volume, the sheer volume that it has, the big market cap, and the fact that it's number 80 on coin market cap at ranking already, right? And what I love about all of this is that it's fully diluted. I know crypto since 2017, and back in the days it was ICOs, 2020 was DeFi. Look, all these projects that made outstanding moves, they weren't backed by VCs. They were backed by community, by retail traders and whales, right? Meme coins are kind of the reincarnation of these ICOs and stuff like that, because in this cycle, 2023, 4, 5, we can see that the tech companies, the tech coins, everything that is like, oh, the next company is making a beautiful, product, blah, blah, blah. They're just not giving us the gains on the coins, and that's what's important for us. We want to make gains. Yes, I couldn't care less about the product. I want to make gains. And if I can't make gains because VCs are getting a huge unproportional amount of the tokenomics, and then they sell on top of my head as soon as I get a breakout, boom, I don't want that. So I want to focus on what can give me big chances of success. Meme coins with their fully diluted, market caps is one of these characteristics. That's why I love it. Anyways, this is just sheer beautiful, and this is something I wanted you to note about NEIRO, right? The fact that it's fully diluted, the fact that it's number 80 on coin market cap, even though it's a new coin, all right, and the fact that the volume to market cap is almost 100%. That's beautiful. That's beautiful, 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 and beautiful. All right, let's move to the charts, to the technical part, right? Price action, and I will show you what do I mean. First, let's start with a chart that is on the DEX, right? This is the DEX chart of NEIRO, and as you can see, it's amazing already. You probably noted that it made a whopping 6,000% in a month. A whopping 6,000%. So if you had $10,000, you'd have made roughly, what was it, like $60 million on this. Boom, bananas. But look at this, the average dollar volume on this lately, of course, all right, has been roughly $12,000. Prior to that, even less. So what I wanted you to note, that the dream of just being a meme coin trader on DEXs, decentralized exchanges, it doesn't really occur as you think. You need to have very small amounts of money in just a lot of them, and just one out of many maybe makes you substantial. But if it has only $10,000 daily volume, you will be the only one buying everything, right? That's maybe what happened over here. Maybe just one person bought all this, and maybe that pushed and propelled other buyers, or maybe he bought all of this. I don't know. I don't really know. Probably it was a community buying it. But the fact is that you couldn't really make the gains that you dream about. Could you make gains? Of course, all right? Of course you made gains. Even if you put $100 over here, it's a lot of money. And that's what they do, those DEXs and SEXs. Me, what I like to do is wait for these coins to enlist on a SEX, because I think they're most secure for me. And I like to trade concentrated with big bucks. And as you can see, once it was traded and added to XX, for example, Mexi, I traded this on Bybit, you had another move. So if you remember, it made a big move all the way from the lows all the way to the top. Over here it's a 300%, but we know it was 5,000, 6,000%. Then it made a flag, and with this flag it made an uppercut move. An uppercut move is that after it breaks out of the flag, in 1 or 2 days, boom, it goes to new all-time high grounds, and you can buy the breakout above the last local high. This was roughly my entry. This was a bit lower. Actually, my entry was a bit higher over here, and boom, almost 60% at the top, and right now around 40% in profit. And just for you to make sure that I'm not bluffing over here, here is the trade that I had. This is on Bybit. As you can see, this is the 1000 NEIRO CTO. This is this coin, and you can see that I bought it at $1.45. So this was the entry price roughly over here. And as you can see, just to make sure that you note, at the top I was at 61% gain. Does it compare to that whopping 6,000%? No, but if you put $100 and make 6,000%, and of course that's, you know, a lot of money. I make this, right, without succumbing, let's call it, to luck. I know the patterns. I can put $100,000 on it or $50,000 on this, and boom, it makes me 25%, $35,000 or $30,000 and more. It's just still counting. Let's see where it goes, because I'm trailing my stop. So I'm making big bucks fast and furious, but concentrated, right? That's why I preach to trade on sexes, even though you need to be aware of risk, you know, management with counterparty risk, right? And by the way, these are all my opinions. This is not a financial advice over here. This is my opinion and my opinion only. I try to teach you. I try to give you the fish, and I show this proof for you to believe me, because, you know, you maybe maybe don't believe, and that's okay. Don't believe anyone. Anyways, so these were the technicals. You had a big up move. That's what I preach. You had a sideways base, VCP action, volatility contraction as a bull flag. It broke out, new highs, took the trade, boom, took some profits into strength, trailing the trade with a 10 EMA, and boom. All in all, this is a good and amazing trade. But putting the trade aside, right? NEIRO has the characteristics to be one of the main leaders, right? Just like Pepe was back in May 2023, where it just emerged into, you know, the world of sexes. And let's just make sure that we understand what Pepe was in the beginning, and let's make sure that we find the correct chart, because yeah, over here probably the best chart on Mexi. I traded this on Mexi way over here, right? This was the first time I traded Pepe. The first time I traded Pepe is the first few days it got enlisted, right? Probably this was it, the move over here. I didn't take all the full advantage of the 160%. I made like 50% over here, but that was enough for me. But let's say this is NEIRO, and NEIRO makes a move right now on the SEX and then goes sideways for a couple of months. Let's see how long. This was quite long, almost a year. I think it was actually, this was May, less than a year. 290 days, and then boom, in February and March it just blasted, bam bam bam, made what, like 1,000%, 700%, what was it? Yeah, 800%. All right, so this might be, and then it continued, of course, but this might be, right, a certain way that NEIRO can act. Maybe NEIRO is making that initial first move, maybe to continue, maybe not, I don't know, maybe it goes down, roll down, and I'll be stopped out at a trail stop, right, with amazing profits. I'm really happy because remember, I trade concentrated positions, 25-30% of my account in trades, sometimes a bit less, 15-20, but concentrated. That's my secret sauce, okay? And then it goes, then it will go sideways. Let's try to paint it, right? Let's say this is it, and then it goes sideways, bam, 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 for I don't know how long, and all of a sudden, one day, what happens is bullishness arrives into the market again, and we get a ferocious move that looks something like this, right? This is probably what I think will happen eventually with NEIRO. When will this happen? I don't know. And again, not a financial advice. This is my opinion and my opinion only. But I believe that NEIRO has the characteristics and has what it takes to be something like Pepe, maybe even like Doge. I don't know, like multi-cycle like Doge. I don't know, maybe like sheep. I don't know. What I know is that probably it will make a move now, will stop, will halt, move sideways for some time, and then one day when God will wants, I don't know, the God of the crypto markets wants, it will blast again and make a big ferocious move. That's what I believe will happen. And maybe not, you know what? I made some videos on things that eventually rug pulled. But look at this and listen to what I have to say, because this is important. Even though, for example, PYI, which is a video I made, was rug pulled eventually, I made outstanding amounts of money on it. Why? Because I trade it, all right? I don't just buy and hold, and I traded it a few times. The last time was a little loss of 10%, but the first one I made 300 or 400% on it, right? Amazing gains. So this is the beauty, all right, of trading and understanding how to trade, because you can find something, make a lot of money with it, even if eventually it goes to zero. And that's what I'm looking for, the next mega trade that will make me outstanding amount of money in the shortest amount of time, and then I'm out. I don't care about the next thing, and that is it. Ladies and gentlemen, that's what I have for you today. Everything that I think about NEIRO, the trade that I had, I showed you the proof about how I make money on it. What else? Like, subscribe to my channel, comment about the meme coins that you love the most. Is there going to be the predominant meme coin or something else? Maybe Wojak. I love Wojak, you know about that. And of course, if you want to make sure that you want to learn from me and see what I preach, you can need to subscribe to my channel. Or if you want to invest in yourself, why wait? Why wait? Click on the link in the description, all right now, or in the first comment to this video right now, and go to my website. And you can enjoy everything that I preach and teach and give and supply. You can start as cheap as a starter trader with less than $40 a month. You get trades, you get weekly insights, long positions, and so on and so forth. And you can go higher to alpha trader, pro trader, and even top trader if you want to really trade with me shoulder by shoulder. Look, you can even start with a 7-day free trial. Just test the 7 days out. You like it, stay. You don't like it, go. What I try to do over here, A, teach you how to fish. B, give you the fish to make money. Follow me to make money. I will make you, all right? I will make you bucks. I don't know how many if you follow me exactly, because I will know your position size, but I will make you the profit because I make myself profits. So again, you want to invest in yourself? Booyah. For less than $40 a month, you should do that. And you know, I almost said something to overpromise, but I stopped myself out. I don't want to overpromise anything, because you know what? Eventually it's up to you. It's not up to me, all right? I can do anything in my power to help you, but if you don't put at least $40 a month, if you don't care about yourself to put at least $40 a month, nothing can truly help you to really be consistent and profitable, and you'll be doomed to make some money and lose it, and make some money and lose it. I will make you consistently profitable if you listen to my advice about how to trade correctly. Until next time, no edge, no trade. Cheers, everybody.